Lindsay Lefty-O, feel me, Kansas finest, feel me, shit about us, dig what I'm talking about, straight mob. Tell me what's really going on. Lindsay Lefty-O is in this bitch, was bragging. Whatever I got on is what I'm acting in. And I'm a player, so I'm feeling so extravagant. OG attitude, quick to hit the throttle type. 40 models, what I'm toting, you can be my sacrifice. Got a couple homies in the joint, serving natural life. If the bitch is choosing up the bitch, she better have a price. I be on a bitch head, just like a pack of lights. Killer for the skrilla to the day the Lord snatch my life. I'm so high like the astronauts. Wet sticks got me riding around with a plastic Glock. Don't give a bitch an inch, but I always tend to ask a lot. Every bitch in my life, she gonna spend that cash a lot. Every nigga in my circle known for busting caps a lot. I'm rapping at the bitch so much I should've signed a rap a lot. Yeah, and I'm a love machine, and I don't wanna fuck with nobody but her. We get wet sticks and we mix them with perp. Put the bull on our own sixes, bustin' fiends off the church. Free chank on my shirt, and I'm the proof to the truth. And any nigga disagree, bring your crew to the booth. On the roof I shoot, 223s to the coupe. Bust every motherfucker that you got in the group, nigga. Yeah, shit, we be blowing on fruit, dipping through both lanes, trying to get to the loot. To every P I salute, to stay hard on the bitch and hustle 24/7 and don't give her an inch, nigga.